a small Temu, I have Home Goods, and Goodwill. I'll do Temu first, because it's just a very small one. Okay. This is a repurchase for Mr. Retros. Oh, Mr. Retros is here.
Hi, everybody.
Yes, Victor, popular Playboy.
Hi.
Everybody. This is a robot, and I forget what this is a dupe of. I can't remember. Yves Saint Laurent or Herman. I don't know. Both. I don't know. I don't remember what this dupe is. I get it. Oh, I had it open here. It smells really good, and he had one before. And the thing is, the bottle is so cool that he keeps the bottles, to, as a display thing afterwards. So that's pretty nifty. Oh yeah. And it smells good.
We have a little blue one, too.
Oh, you have a blue. Oh, yeah, that's right, the blue one. These were getting sold out. So, how do you like it, sir? You like it, good, Victor? It's inching out. Oh, anyway, I got a sundress. I'm actually going to put, I'm going to point here, up here somewhere, the thumbnail of what this actually looks like. It's so hard for me to show you the dress on this table. But I tried it on. I like it. It's big, but it's got adjustable strap thingies. The material is like almost like a challis. I think it's probably polyester, but it feels like a challis. It's just a sundress. They never give you the fabric content. It's just like a sundress with some straps, and it's long. It's full length, midi length. I don't think I like this. I was putting trim on everything, so I'll put a little thumbnail up here and you see what it's supposed to look like. But it's not bad. I like it, and it's a pretty sort of a paisley border print thing. Material feels fairly decent. So and it wasn't very expensive. None of their stuff is. That's that guy. And that's all I got from Temu. Then I went to Goodwill. Wasn't too bad in there. And I got this is Natasha from Boris and Natasha from Bullwinkle. They didn't have, I looked and looked, no Boris. And it's got Jay Ward on the bottom. Jay Ward produced a show. So, see, it's the Boris and Natasha were the no good nicks. We ain't got those scruples when it comes to getting our ends. We'll single, double, and triple class our very closest friends. That's their song. So that's very cool. I think these go kind of pricey. They have a Rocky and Bullwinkle on eBay that's like $250 from the same series, but there's no Boris. This was my favorite character always. Of that. There's a Fractured Fairy Tales figure on eBay that's, I don't think it's a licensed thing, but it's awesome. Fractured Fairy Tales were fantastic. And then I got this thing. It's sort of like a trivet for your kitchen. It's a ceramic tile. It's vintage, but you can hang it on there was probably two. It's got a little thing here. You can hang it on the wall. So I might hang this in the kitchen. It needs cleaning. But the design is really super nice and mid-century. There you can kind of see. And this is all metal. No marks. That's how I found it, the Goodwill. Then I went to the Home Goods. They were starting to put out some of their Halloween stuff. I'll put a couple pictures at the end of stuff I didn't get. I was kind of looking at it. Not the really fabulous stuff like the Queen is finding or Pretty and Flawed, but I did get this little guy. I think they had this with a pumpkin head, a kitty cat, and something else. But I like this ghost. It's sort of a Joanna Parker knockoff to me, but it's not. It was $6.99. But it really does look Joanna Parker-y. She did a teapot of a ghost that looks like this. Oh, I would love to get, but you can't get your hands on it. So I got this baby. Not much else they had. Oh, and then I got these. Yeah, I was looking for. House of Joni found a bag of Jelly Bellies that were Krispy Kreme donut flavored. Oh my god! They didn't have those here. It's like, oh gosh. But I've had these before. These are the Virginia peanuts. And these are the sea salt and black pepper. We've had these before. These are good. Yeah. I've gotten these, I think, at Marshall's. And so what was this? $5.99. And then I got this big wooden giant garland necklacey thing. This one's wood. I saw one like this that was glass, sea glass, and I didn't get it, and I've been kicking myself ever since. So I picked this one up. They had this in black and a natural wood color, and then the white. I thought the white was more useful. And what was this thing? That's made in the Philippines. 19 of this. So that's all I found at Home Goods. I was lucky to find anything. Usually I don't find a thing, but you know, they didn't seem like they were putting a lot of Halloween out. They were messing around marking down the summer stuff, I guess, which is sort of not remarkable. Their summer stuff, you know. It's kind of And then I didn't see a lot of Joanna Parker. I never see Joanna Parker at mine. Sway to the 99. I think he calls himself Sway's Deals. Now, he finds it all the time now. I think he goes down to Santa Rosa or Daly City or somewhere down in Northern California. Finds it all the time. So I'm up here in the wasteland. So I'm lucky to find this thing. So that's what I got. Anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
Okay. I will see you later. Adios, everybody. Keep cool.